Hello students, myself Dinesh Poya, and today's our topic is revisiting irrational numbers. In class 9, you were introduced to irrational numbers and many of their properties. You studied about their existence and how the rationals and the irrational together made of the real numbers. You even studied how to locate irrational numbers on the number line. However, we did not prove that they were irrational. In this section, we will prove that root 2, root 3, root 5 are irrational, where one of the theorem is fundamental theorem of arithmetic is used in our proof. For that, let us see one theorem 1.3. Students, theorem 1.3 is very important for this section, isn't it? Let P be a prime number. If P divides A square, then P divides A, where A is a positive integer. Now let's look at the proof. Let the prime factorization of A, right? Suppose therefore A is equals to P1, P2, P3 dot Pn, where P1, P2, P3 dot Pn are primes, which is not necessarily distinct. Now squaring on both the sides, right? Now squaring on both the sides, we get A square is equals to P1 into P2 dot Pn, another bracket, into P1 into P2 dot Pn, right? Therefore, P1 square into P2 square into P3 square dot Pn square, right? Because we have square on the both the, we have taken square on the both the sides. So A square is equals to P1 square into P2 square into P3 square into dot into Pn square. Now we are given that P divides A square. Therefore, P is one of the prime factors of A square. By using fundamental theorem of arithmetic, P1, P2 and P3 dot Pn are prime factors of A square. So, P is also one of the prime factor of P1, P2, P3, dot Pn. But what we have given, since A is equals to P1 into P2 into P3 into dot Pn, therefore P divides A, right? Hence it is proved that now take one example. Let us prove. Take one example. Prove that root 2 is irrational. Okay, students. अब क्या करना है हमको? We have to prove root 2 is an irrational number. Now let us assume that on the contrary that root 2 is a rational number. Then there exist positive integers A and B such that root 2 is equals to A upon B, where A and B are co-prime. Means their highest common factor is 1, right? Now taking square on both the sides, we will get root 2 whole square is equals to A upon B whole raised to square. So while squaring root 2, the sign of root will get cancelled. So 2 is equals to S square upon B square. Now cross multiplication, 2 into b square is equals to s square, right? Therefore 2 divides a square, because 2 divides 2b square, and 2b square is equals to a square, right? Therefore 2 divides a. Say result number 1, because by using theorem of 1.3. Now let a is equals to 2c for some integers c. Again squaring on both the side, we get a square is equals to 4c square. Now replacing, we have a square is equals to how much? 2b square. Therefore 2b square is equals to 4c square. So 2, right? So b square is equals to 2c square. So 2 divides b square again by, right? Therefore 2 divides b by theorem 1.3. From result 1 and 2, we obtain that 2 is a common prime factor, right, of a and b. But this is contradict the fact that a and b have no common factor other than 1, so that our supposition is wrong. Hence root 2 is irrational. ठीक है? Is it clear about root 2 is an irrational number? Now take another example. Example number 1, prove that root 3 is irrational number. Prove that root 3 is an irrational. For that, let us assume that the contrary, that root 3 is a rational number. Then there exist a positive integers a and b such that root 3 is equals to a upon b, where a and b are co-prime. Right? Now taking square on both the side. Now squaring both the sides, we get root 3 whole square is equals to a square upon b square. So therefore 3 is equals to a square upon b square. Now taking cross multiplication, right, 3b square is equals to a square. Therefore 3 divides a square, because 3 divides 3b square, and 3b square is equals to a square. Therefore 3 divides a by theorem 1.3. Therefore a is equals to 3c for some integer c. Now again squaring on both the side, we get a square is equals to 9c square. Right? But we have 3b square is equals to a square, or a square is equals to 3b square. Therefore 3b square is equals to 9c square. Right? 3 3 is 9, so 3 will get cancelled. So remaining terms are b square is equals to 3c square. Therefore 3 divides b square. Therefore 3 divides b by theorem 1.3. From result 1 and 2, we can conclude that a and b have at least 3 as a common factor, but this contradicts the fact that a and b are co-prime. So our supposition is wrong. Therefore root 3 is an irrational. Okay, students. Well, take one more example. prove root 5 is an irrational number. Let us assume that root 5 is rational number. Then there exist co-prime positive integers a and b such that root 5 is equals to a upon b, where a and b are co-prime. Right? Now, squaring on both the side, root 5 whole square is equals to a square upon b square. Therefore, 5 is equals to a square upon b square. Cross multiplication, 5b square is equals to a square. Right? Therefore, five divides a square. Therefore, 5 divides a by theorem 1.3. Therefore, a is equals to 5c for some integer c. Now, taking square on both the side, a square is equals to 25c square, but we have a square is equals to how much? B square. So 5b square is equals to 25c square. Right? Therefore, b square is equals to 5c square. Therefore, 5 divides b square. Therefore, 5 divide b by theorem 1.3. Okay. Say result number. Second, this is result. First, from result 1 and 2, we observe that A and B have at least 5 as a common factor, but this contradicts the fact that A and B are co-prime. Therefore, root 5 is an irrational. Okay, students, is it clear? Well, question number 2, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Take some another example. Prove that 3 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Right? We can find we can find let us assume that to the contrary 3 plus 2 5 is rational. Then there exists O prime positive integer A and B such that three plus 2 root 5 is equals to A upon B, where A and B are co-prime. Right? Therefore, A upon B minus 3 is equals to 2 root 5. Right? Therefore, taking LCM, A minus 3B upon B is equals to 2 root 5. Okay? Therefore, A minus 3B upon 2 goes down, so 2B is equals to root 5. Say result number 1. We know that A is integer, B is integer, and B is also integers. Right? Therefore, A minus 3B upon 2B is equals to A is integer, right? So integer minus 3 into integer all divided by 2 into integer, right? This gives us rational number. Therefore, result 1 is a rational number, right? Means we can say that A minus 3B upon 2B is equal to root 5 is rational numbers, right? But this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. Therefore, our supposition is wrong, Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Therefore 3 plus 2 under root 5 is irrational. Right? Let us solve some other example. Question number 3. Prove that 1 upon root 2 is irrational. Question number 3. Prove that 1 upon root 2 is irrational. Right. Irrational. Right. We have to prove that 1 upon root 2 is irrational. Let us rationalizing 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2 is equals to 1 upon root 2 into root 2 upon divided by rationalizing the denominator, isn't it? Is equals to root 2 into root 2 become 2 is equals to 1 upon 2 into root 2. Right? Let 1 upon root 2 be rational. Sorry. Let 1 upon root 2 be rational and 1 upon root 2 is equals to 1 upon 2 into root 2, right? Therefore 1 upon 2 into root 2 is a rational. Let 1 upon 2 root 2 is equals to a upon b, right? Where a and b are co-prime. Okay? Therefore, root 2b is equals to 2a. Root 2b is equals to 2a. Therefore, root 2 is equals to 2a upon b. We know that the division of two integers is a rational. We know that the division of two integers is rational. Therefore, 2 into a upon b is a rational. Therefore, from result 1 we have seen This is our result. From 1, root 2 is also rational. Right. But it is contradict. But root 2 is irrational. Therefore, 1 upon root 2 is irrational. Okay, is it clear, students? Is there any difficulties or is there any doubt? You can ask me. Okay. So this is all about today's session. Okay. We will see in next session. Till then, bye. Take care.